To use Bill4Time receipt upload, start by logging into your Bill4Time account and navigating to the Expenses section. This is where you will be able to upload and manage your receipts. First, click on the New Expense button to begin the process of uploading a receipt. You will be prompted to select the type of expense, the date, and the amount. You can also add a description of the expense if needed. Next, click on the Upload Receipt button to select the receipt from your computer. Bill4Time supports a variety of file formats, including PDF, JPG, and PNG. Once the receipt is uploaded, you can view it directly in the system. After uploading the receipt, you will need to categorize the expense. This can be done by selecting a category from the drop-down list or by creating a new category. Categorizing expenses is important for tracking and reporting purposes. It is also a good idea to add a vendor to the expense, especially if you plan on reimbursing the expense or tracking expenses by vendor. To do this, simply start typing the vendor name in the vendor field and select the vendor from the list. Once all of the information is complete, click Save to save the expense. The receipt will be stored in the system and can be viewed at any time. You can also edit the expense at any time if needed. Best practices for using Bill4Time receipt upload include uploading receipts regularly to ensure accurate expense tracking, categorizing expenses consistently to make reporting easier, and adding vendors to expenses to track expenses by vendor. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Bill4Time receipt upload to manage your expenses and stay organized. This will save you time and reduce the risk of lost receipts or inaccurate expense tracking.